guys, I just wanted to do a little review on this product called LipoPure Premium Blend. So this supplement is a weight loss supplement which includes 3 important ingredients for weight loss: Gardenia cambogia, raspberry ketone, and green bean coffee extract. Now, I've been looking for a supplement that battles weight loss, but I hadn't found anything at all that worked. I tried all those infomercial things, stuff I'd find at your local drugstore, that kind of stuff, but nothing seemed to work, and everything was so expensive, even though the brands would use really, really cheap ingredients. But just as soon as I was getting fed up with finding a supplement that worked for me, I found LipoPure Premium Blend. They use really high quality ingredients, and as you can see, it's worked wonders for me. So if you're tired of trying weight loss pill after weight loss pill and spending all of your monthly paychecks, check this one out. I promise it is worth it. Bye!